Welcome to Asia Pacific College. Here, we're more than our degree programs, more than our intensive faculty-student interaction, more than our industry linkages, or more than the employability of our graduates from internship. Guided by integrity, industry, and innovation, a culture of exploration drives us forward as we set course in treading blue ocean, exploring the unknown and unimagined. We inspire and motivate each other to discover new ways to change the world, empowering our students to live up to their potential and realize their aspiration. We prepare our students to make a difference. We live with purpose and conviction. And we work hard to ensure that our best is always becoming better. Greater things await you at Asia Pacific College.